Hi, good afternoon. So this video is going to go over how to upload the Excel file into the system so you can update the digital tags. Okay, so when you first log in, you'll see the screen, the main screen that's on front of you. You will go to product list and select batch import. Batch import, you select here this button called click upload. This is where you upload your file that you have saved on your computer. You click on it, then you go to the file where it is, and here's the file. It's a regular Excel file. You update it, you change the information prior to it, and it will be loaded up to the system, then sent to the gateway so the tag can receive the update. You press. So now we press open, confirm. You should see it on top says successfully imported. Okay. Then you wait a few minutes and you'll see the tags restart or re-image itself with the updated information on the tag. Okay.